guys, Grinder here, back with another video, and today we're going to be playing Anvil Drop with my friends, and oh my gosh, they're fighting for their lives right now. Make sure to like and subscribe. We also have fellow YouTubers like Han Solo 3059, link in the description, yeah. And we also have Tico. Where's Tico? Abe. Oh, look, he's right here. Alright, this is Abe right here, and yeah, so let's just tell him, hey everyone. Hopefully they're happy. They're probably like, so they're like, oh Grinder, hey. Hello guys. Hello. Yeah. Okay. So it's simple. We are going to be playing Anvil Drop, okay? Guys, we're going to be playing Anvil Drop. It is going to be so intense. We are going to be doing the most intense game. So let me just tell them, we will be playing Anvil Drop. So I'm on Xbox, so it doesn't type as fast. Alright, are you guys ready? The winner will get a prize. So let's just tell them that. Okay. Ready? I hope they're ready. I'm going to turn PvP off. Let's just make sure they can attack players. No. Attack players. No. I don't want them to be able to attack people, because then they're going to be messing them up. Are you guys ready? Aye. Spamming. Round one. Okay, so let's just do a little of that. Oh, wait, wrong command. Wrong command. My bad. Oh. All right, everybody dodged it. Good for them. Okay, let's do a little bit something more extreme. There. That should get some people. Oh! That's just sad. They didn't make it. I feel bad. All right, he's out. 1 out. 3 more to go. I hope this will be extremely crazy. Let's see. What'll get some people out? Try this. Oh. Oh! Han Solo is out. No. I feel so bad. Man, he's like, no! Oh, man, okay. It's just you guys. It's just you. They're lucky. I'll do a revival in a minute, because what they don't know is I'm going to cheat. If somebody wins, like, super easily, and they're like, haha, joke's on you, I'm gonna bring a revival in, okay? I'm going to put an easy one right now. There. Oh, wait, wrong one. Wrong lever. Oh. I swear, if somebody lost to that, that's just sad. I'm going to spam. Okay, this one might be kind of hard. Extremely hard round. Oh my! How did he survive that? Oh my gosh. Okay, I guess he survived. Let's just reset those commands. I'm surprised. Very, very surprised. I can't believe they actually survived that. Okay. If they make it another 3 rounds, I'll do another one, okay? Anvil, drop. Okay, guess I got no one. Let's just reset that. Alright. Yes. I got it back. Okay. Let's go. I reset it. So, let's go. So, wait. What do you mean, TV? What in the... What are you doing over here? What in the world? What did he do? What did he do to himself? Okay, anyway. Okay. Ready? Okay. Good luck. Okay, so. I did the hard one. Oh! Oh! What was that? He just, oh my gosh. Chico got that one. He just got one. So, let's do this. Fill it with air. Oh my gosh. Okay, so Abe, it's time to do revival. Ready? Revival time. I'm gonna bring, oh my, look what he just put. Oh my gosh, look at what he put. Oh my gosh. Okay. Since the game was so short, we will revive. Let's go in here. Alright, so this is what we're going to do. This is actually supposed to be the jail. We will teleport them. Teleport who? This guy, where this guy. Alright, teleport who? Giraffe boy, where grinder. So, whoever beats parkour first will get revived. Will be revived. Okay, good luck to both of them. So I'm going to say 3. Okay. I have to keep running. Okay, wait. Okay, so these people are the ones that got out. I'm going to count down. 3, 2, 1, go! And they're off. Oh, he made the jump. He made the jump. Oh. Oh, he just beat him first try. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that was actually crazy. Okay, well, he will be getting revived. Frosted Zebra. Who? Frosted Zebra, where here? Okay. They will be playing against each other. 1v1. Alright. You ready? So, it's just them. I'm going to do some rounds. Are you ready, guys? Alright. I'm going to play an easy one on them. No, it's not going to be easy. Why would I play something easy? Well, our revival literally just lost. So, I guess this means Tico wins. Tico wins. Yay. Abe, you literally just won the event. No way. Abe just won. Let's get him in a call. Alright, so I just got in a call with Abe. Abe, hello?
Let's go, I won!
Yeah. So, are you excited?
Yeah, I'm super excited.
Alright, so you want to know what your prize is?
What is my prize?
Your prize is $1,000. No, I'm kidding. It's not $1,000. It's $10. But at least it's money, okay? Yeah. So,
yeah,
yeah, that concludes the video, and I'll see you guys next time.